Hello friends, Kevin here, and I'm in Chinatown right now. Not to glorify any of the fantastic restaurants here, I already made a video about that, but to actually visit the worst reviewed restaurant in the city and the worst reviewed buffet. That's right, today we're visiting the Jade Buffet. This place is known for having the most amount of infractions, from rat feces found in the kitchen to improperly stored food. But what do the reviews say? Let's take a look at that.
Overall not good. Old food had been out for hours and everything had a thick film. Lukewarm temperature, dining room and restaurant was very dirty and needs to be thoroughly clean. Mountains of dirty dishes and soiled linens. We got sick from eating here. It's a shame because it used to be very good. Memories of a few years ago. Also, as an experiment, I gave some leftovers to my brother and he got diarrhea. My friend and I were eating at this restaurant and had just eaten a rope in a spring roll. I ate it in my mouth and found it hard to bite, then took out what was a rope. It was really disgusting. I reported it to the owner of the restaurant and he told me this is not the first time. Horrifying experience, not recommended. The food tasted like it was reheated and smelled like it was stored in a freezer the day before. The restaurant has a musty smell and it's like eating next to a bathroom. Alright, let's try it out.
Now, the Jade Buffet is an interesting place. It says that it's $21 outside, but once you get inside, they actually charge you the tip on top of that, so the service fee is included when you walk in, making it a big spanking 25 bucks. The food here is served on trays, and it's a 50-50 gamble whether it's going to be warm or just cold. The pasta looks exactly like it does in the photos, and I'm kind of regretting coming here. Today is a Saturday afternoon, and it looks like half the steamers are on. The ones that are on, though, were filled with a dirty water bucket, and the steam tray is just splashing onto the food. Also, there's a lot of coughing coming from the kitchen, but that's okay. Let's have a seat next to this soy sauce-riddled, dirty booth. I now present you plate number 1. Chow mein, beef noodles, sweet and sour pork, and I'm just gonna dive right in with this beef. It looks overdone and tastes, well, oddly fishy. The consistency is almost like a hardened plastic that just, well, it's not going down, and I can't chew it, so I'm gonna just lightly put it back into a napkin or something and dispose of it. The noodles also, just a beef noodle shouldn't taste like fish or turtle tank. Tastes like a turtle tank. And now it's on to the Singapore noodles. They can't possibly mess this up, but it's all stuck together into one big clump. Oh geez. Not terrible. I can definitely taste some of the curry, and the consistency is a little bit off-putting, but it's definitely not the worst thing I've ever put in my mouth. Unlike what I'm gonna have here, which is the sweet and sour pork. It is just all batter and unbelievably cold. Also, temperature-wise, I just gotta say, nothing here is hot. Let's try the pasta. The pasta was clearly sitting in that dish for a long period of time, and you know what? Actually, it doesn't look terrible, and the cheese on there was not bad. Surprisingly not bad. For a warm tray of pasta, probably the best thing that's on this plate right now. I don't think anybody, even this place, can mess up just noodles, sauce, and cheese. But here's the pizza, and I was wrong. There's that permeating fishy taste, and the dough underneath is just soaking wet and falling apart. If I'm able to scratch the bottom of a pizza and the dough just falls apart because of how wet it is, no. It's a napkin. I'm gonna pull apart this spring roll here, and hopefully there's no string. Thankfully, there's no string inside this spring roll. But even this, the beef or pork inside of it, it's bad, man. It's just bad. I hate wasting food. But most of all, I also hate wasting money. And this is also just going into a napkin. The chicken wing ain't terrible. Not terrible. One chicken wing for 25 bucks going into my stomach. That's pretty much it. And I'm immediately feeling sick right after this. So here I am in the washroom. The bathrooms are filthy. There's a bunch of little black dots everywhere. And of course there's a kitchen glove here. Genuinely, I'd like to give places a fair shake. I enjoy the odd buffet here and there, but this place is truly awful. The reviews, down to a key, are all accurate. Every single negative review that you see on this place is true. The carpets smell like urine, the bathrooms are filthy, every single corner you look is absolutely disgusting. I wasted $25 here. I couldn't stomach anything. The second that something went into my mouth, beef shouldn't taste fishy. Beef should not taste fishy and sour and rancid. The noodles congealed together to make almost like a brick falling off my fork every single 2 seconds. The pizza, the dough at the bottom was just wet. And from the few bites that I've been able to stomach, I am now violently... I just peeked a little bit. I am now violently ill. Folks, for more food, travel, gaming, and more, and I think I lost a headphone somewhere. Dang it. More food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. If you want to find places you'll actually enjoy here, Chinatown, here's one of the videos. Bye for now.